Hello, SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making one of my favorite treats. It's coconut drops. Coconut drops is kind of a cross between like a sweet bun and a tart, like a coconut tart. And it has a lot of texture to it. It's heavy, but it's really delicious. And you can taste the coconut, you taste all the spices, all the flavors come together. It tends to be crunchy on the outside, but very soft inside. It's a really nice treat. So I'm gonna get going and show you how I put it all together. The list of all the ingredients will be in the description bar below. So I'm getting started. First thing we're doing is putting our flour into the mixing bowl. And we're gonna do everything. This is very easy. All goes in here. Add my spices. So this is my ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Next thing I'm gonna do is add my sugar. You just need one bowl and you just put everything in. And the secret to making coconut drops is that you don't want it to loose. You want the texture when you mix it to be almost like a cookie texture. Okay, so we're gonna add next thing, coconut. And this is our shredded coconut. You can grate your coconut yourself if you want, but I bought this in the frozen food section. It's from India. It's already shredded for me. I'm gonna put the raisins in there. Raisins is optional. I like the raisins, but some people, if they don't like raisin, well, raisin doesn't have to be in there. Even when I was a kid growing up, we didn't put raisins in it, but you know, things change, recipes change, and so you want to mix it up really well. Make sure the coconut is well incorporated into that. So I'm just spreading it out, and then we're gonna add butter. I like it melted because then it spreads better. Okay, so you get more of an even mix. So we're gonna put that butter in there, give it a stir. Coconut milk is our liquid. So you wanna put your coconut milk. Don't put it all at once, just in case you don't want it. You wanna make sure you have the right consistency. And I'm gonna add this vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix it. That's all there is to it, guys. So you see, and that's why I say you add gradually the coconut milk. So don't do it all in one shot. So see, it's a little tight, so we're gonna soften it up. Okay, so look at this. This is the consistency you want. It's like cookie dough, right? So because you're just going to drop them, that's why it's called coconut drops. You can use all-purpose flour too, but the reason I use the self-rising, it's so much easier. If you can get it, use it, because you don't have to worry about your baking powder or baking soda, salt. Everything is already pre-measured for you. It's just a lot easier. And I think, guys, this is it. It's done. Okay, now time to get it ready for the oven. Now I just put some parchment paper on a cookie sheet. I'm gonna take it up, put it here in this big spoon, and I'm gonna drop it here. I'm basically doing it the same way I would do cookies. Just take them in balls, drop them down, they're gonna spread. I can smell the coconut, it smells so good. I can't wait to get into these. Haven't had them for a long time, so it'll be a nice treat with a cup of tea. So good. I remember having this when I was young, you know, I always wanted this with a Coca-Cola. That was a treat for me. Now, no more Coke, it's tea. Cup of tea. The oven is already preheated, so I'm going to put them in now at 350, and after 20 minutes I'm going to check it and see if it's done. The coconut drops are done. Look at that, guys. They've been in there for about 35 minutes. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. So usually I would let this cool for about half an hour or so before I break into it. This is what it looks like. It's nice on the outside, crunchy, but inside it's soft and tender. Look at that. Delicious. That is so good. Lots of coconut. Really good, guys. If you want to try this, great snack. And there you have it, guys, our delicious coconut drops. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.